Welcome back to the video. Today, we will explain how to recover or update your Gmail password easily. If you find yourself logged out of your Gmail account, don't worry. We will guide you through the process of recovering your account. If you're already logged in, great. You can access your emails and services. However, if you're logged out, you'll need to change your password. Now, if you are already logged in and you don't know the password, you can find the password by simply going to the settings of your mobile. Scroll down and you will find the Google option. Look for the option labeled Autofill and tap on it. Then, select Autofill with Google. Scroll down and select Google Password Manager. Then, select Google and you will find passwords of all your Google accounts. You can also recover the password by another method. Open the Chrome browser and select the three dots on the top right corner of the browser. Then, select Settings and look for the Password Manager. Scroll down and select Google to view your password. If you do not find anything here, don't worry, we have another way out. If your Gmail is already logged in, open the Gmail app, click on your profile picture, and then select Google account. Find the Security tab and then select Password Manager at the bottom of the page. Click the Gmail account to view your password. If you're unsure about your Gmail ID, don't worry. Simply tap on the text box and enter any email ID you remember. For example, if it's your email, enter it like Emma. Now, proceed to the next step. If you remember your password, enter it. Otherwise, if you're like many who don't remember, tap on Forget Password. Depending on your settings, you'll either receive a text message or a notification on another device with a verification code. Enter this code to proceed. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter a strong and memorable password, then confirm it. Congratulations! You've successfully recovered or updated your Gmail 2 password. Now you can log in securely and access your emails and services. Remember, if you found this process helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thank you!